Hi, I'm Theresa Brannen with the Easy Sales team at Keller Williams Citywide. Welcome to my latest renovation project at 410 Parkside Drive in Bay Village, Ohio. Come on in. Here I am in the living room and dining room. It's a great open space, perfect for entertaining. And all I did here was repaint the walls and refinish the beautiful hardwood floors and add a modern lighting fixture, which I think is beautiful. And it just kind of opens the space up, brightens it up, and it really creates a welcoming feel. I love how the downstairs bathroom turned out. Tore down the outdated tile that was here, created a shower, new tub, put in a graphic tile on the back wall, which adds a little bit of detail. Also on the floor, don't be afraid to go bold with small spaces like bathrooms because it really creates an impact. Also, there was no storage, there was just a pedestal sink, so added a vanity with storage, adding more value, and then wainscoting along the perimeter of the bathroom too, just kind of adds some depth and dimension, and I think it really turned out great. And here I am in the kitchen, and it turned out wonderful. It kind of kept the same footprint that there was before. I just rearranged the appliances a little bit, added white shaker style cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops. They're white, they have some grain veining in it, which, you know, I love that detail. Also, the classic subway backsplash that goes around the whole kitchen, beautiful stainless steel appliances with the gas range, plus the flooring, again, the graphic bold floor that I used in the bathroom to tie the whole design together. The biggest transformation happened upstairs in the master bedroom, where I took space from the attic and created this beautiful ensuite master bath with a barn door and a walk-in shower using the same tile that I used in the downstairs bathroom, flooring as well. And then I also created a walk-in closet in the unfinished attic space as well. So you have a full master suite up here, new carpet, new paint, took advantage of the ceilings, and just really made this a great upgrade for this home. In just 12 short weeks, I improved the value of this home by 84%. If you're interested in a private tour, contact me, or if you have questions on renovations or looking to get into investment properties, contact me and I can help you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you at the next one.